Turn right on Lualualei Homestead Road. In a quarter-mile drop-off on the left.
Big drop-off right down here. Quick little turn to the right. Should be in and out. Alrighty.
Drop off on the left.
This one says the left. What about the right like it was last time? How you doing? Good to see you again. All right. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yes, indeed. Did you enjoy the fireworks?
Oh man, they were crazy.
Everywhere.
I had to put noise canceling earbuds on.
Oh yes, yes indeedy. Yes indeedy. All right, that one should be you right there. Okay. You got the big one, right? For Keegan, is it?
Yeah, I could have sworn I got
Let's see here.
different chips. Unless they didn't have.
That's the ones they put in there.
Okay.
So they may have gotten it wrong. Oh, Lay's Bake Original? Yes.
Yeah.
It looked like they put the wrong ones in there.
It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
My fiance was watching my phone. He was like, Russell, isn't this the same guy?
Yeah, there we go.
I was like, hold on, let me see the face.
Uh-huh.
And he was describing, I was like, yeah, that's him. And so I was like, you know what? He took care of our food last time.
Uh-huh.
He did such a good job. I was like, I'm gonna up his tip.
Oh, I do appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Thank you. It's always a pleasure now. All right. Yes, Happy New Year to you too.
Head to your drop-off at 86408 Puhawai Road.
Let's see where we're at. Okay, back off again. All righty. Right down here, quick drop off. And this person did not have
Make a sharp
drink,
right turn on Halona Road.
Tuna. Okay. All right. Just want to make sure we don't have a drink in this order.